Fuck.
Say
There's a fuck. And a fuck in the backyard. Fuck. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh, see? This is what we have in our backyard. Oopsie.
There's a fuck.
It is? Do you see this in our backyard?
There's a fuck.
This kind, look. Okay, we're going to show the camera. This kind of animal can be seen in our backyard, in our neighbor's backyard.
There was a fuck.
Okay,
A fuck.
say fox.
Fuck.
Yes. Say fox.
Fuck.
Well, you have to say,
There's a fuck.
no, you have to say fox.
Fuck.
Fox.
Fuck is the reason. I want some more glasses.
You got glasses.
Mine.
Pink glasses. Okay. There you are.
And a fuck in the backyard.
No, say fox.
And the backyard.
Oh, thank you for giving me the glasses, but it doesn't fit me. Okay. Oh.
I'm afraid of you.
Okay, it doesn't fit me. No, it doesn't fit me. And it's not the right way. It's upside down.
Oh, and there?
Oh. Ah. Thank you. And now it's the right way. Ow, don't stab my eye, please. Thank you. Oh, right on my nose, too. All right. Oh, look at that. I'm a fashionista. Ooh, okay, yes. That's great.
I had a fuck.
In?
A fuck
Where is it?
over there.
And you know what the color of the fox is?
And then orange.
Orange. Good.
Orange is a fuck. My wing.
Oh, yeah, I can see your wing from there. Fly, 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 fly.
I said